Welcome DIKWP, 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered what truly powers AI? Forget the hype, let's get down to brass tacks. We're cracking open the black box using a new framework, DIKWP. Think of it as a five-layer cake: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose. But instead of a pyramid, it's a buzzing network. This isn't just theory, it's how we map and predict the next wave of AI breakthroughs. So, what is this DIKWP network? It's simple: five core elements: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, purpose. But here's the kicker: they don't just stack up like Legos. They form a dynamic web with 25 possible interaction paths. Think of it as a cognitive ecosystem where data feeds into information, knowledge shapes wisdom, and purpose drives everything, including feeding back to influence lower levels. It's non-linear, adaptive, and frankly, way more realistic than any linear model. Right now, LLMs are masters of turning data into info and info into knowledge. But when it comes to using wisdom to set true autonomous purpose, that's still the frontier. Let's zoom in on some heavy hitters. Language models. They're data sponges, D to I champs, and knowledge integrators, I to K wizards. They can generate tons of data from intent, P to D, but their own internal purpose, W to P, is still largely human-driven. Multimodal models. They're brilliant at fusing different senses, like seeing an image and understanding its text, D to I to K, and showing potential for deeper insights, I to W, computer vision. Pixel perfect at D to I, but struggles with the K to W leap, understanding the why behind what it sees. The real game changer? These aren't isolated islands. They're starting to connect, using feedback loops to bridge those gaps. How do AI systems learn and make decisions within this framework? Reinforcement learning is all about learning from trial and error, D to I to K, getting better at specific tasks. But scaling that to general wisdom, K to W, in messy real-world scenarios. That's the million-dollar question. Supervised learning follows a cleaner path, D to I to K to W, guided by labeled examples. Its future lies in becoming less static, incorporating online feedback, W to K, to stay relevant. Unsupervised learning lets AI explore on its own, D to I to K, finding hidden patterns, but without guardrails, it risks learning biases. The takeaway: the most powerful AI will likely be hybrids, blending these strengths, constantly refining their knowledge and adapting to new intentions. Okay, power comes with responsibility. Safety and ethics aren't add-ons, they're baked into the DIKWP structure. Ensuring AI aligns with human values means its purpose, W to P, must reflect ours. Privacy is critical too. Federated learning lets us build knowledge, D to K, collaboratively without compromising raw data. Looking at the global top 100, LLMs dominate, but the real winners are those demonstrating integrated capabilities across the board. What's next? Expect tighter integration, seamless cloud edge collaboration, and AI systems that don't just compute, but genuinely collaborate with us, understanding both our data and our intent. That's the future, mapped through the DIKWP lens.